Guys, in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the brand new Nokia 6 2018 versus the Xiaomi Mi A1. And in case you don't know, the Mi A1 has the Snapdragon 625 processor, while the Nokia 6 2018 has the Snapdragon 630 processor, and both the smartphones are running their latest official Oreo operating system. So let's see which one wins this race. Let's first off booting both the smartphones in 3, 2 and 1. So here's the Android One branding on the Nokia 6 2018, and the Mi A1 is also powered by Google's Android One. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. Here's the Nokia branding. There's the Android One branding on the Mi A1. Okay, so the Mi A1 clearly wins here, guys, while the Nokia 6 2018 is still okay. So boot it up, and as you can see, there are no applications running in the background. Also, both the smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and there is no SIM card inserted on either of these smartphones. Also, I have only installed the applications that will be used for testing, so no bloatwares or no extra applications at all. First off, let's open dialer in 3, 2 and 1. The Mi A1 faster, while the Nokia 6 2018 was a bit late here. Let's open the messenger. Here we go. So what I think is the Nokia 6 2018 was a little bit faster there. Maybe that was draw. Let me know in the below comment section. But I think the Nokia 6 2018 was a bit faster. Now let's open the camera in 3, 2 and 1. The Mi A1 faster here, while the Nokia 6 2018 took almost 2 or 3 seconds in loading up the camera application as compared to the Mi A1. And let's open the settings in 3, 2 and 1. So the Nokia 6 2018 a bit late again. Now let's open few third-party applications and games. There we will see the real speed test. Let's open the WhatsApp in 3, 2 and 1. So the Nokia 6 2018 a bit faster than the Xiaomi Mi A1. Let's open Skype in 3, 2 and 1. So the Mi A1 faster here, while the Nokia 6 2018 was a tiny bit late, not a huge difference at all. Twitter. Okay, so the Nokia 6 2018 was faster here. Snapchat in 3, 2 and 1. So the Mi A1 faster, while the Nokia 6 2018 was a little bit late again. Now let's open the Subway Surfers. There we will see the visible speed difference in 3, 2 and 1. So the animations were quite slow in the Nokia 6 2018, while the Mi A1 was flying off. Which loads up the Subway Surfers first, and the Nokia 6 2018 clear winner, guys, while the Mi A1 was a little bit late. Definitely the Snapdragon 630 is way powerful than the Snapdragon 625, but still the Mi A1 is really doing a great job. Now let's open PUBG, and it is one of the most heaviest game, 1.4 GB. Here we go. So the animation seems quite slow in the Nokia 6 2018, the app opening animations. Let's see which one wins. This is one of the most heaviest game, and I really want to see which one wins here. Okay, so Mi A1 a bit ahead. Let's see which loads up the PUBG first. Both of them are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So the Mi A1 wins here, guys. Amazing. That was really amazing. I mean, the Snapdragon 625 won over the 630, and Mi A1 really did a great job. Now let's do the RAM management test. Let's see which smartphone has refreshed the applications. First off, Skype, Snapchat, settings, camera. Okay, so the Nokia 6 2018 actually loaded up the camera application again. Open the phone dialer. Nokia 6 2018 loaded up the phone dialer again. The PUBG, Subway Surfers, Twitter, WhatsApp, Okay, so the Mi A1 is great in terms of RAM management, while the Nokia 6 2018 actually loaded up few system applications, and it is having the 3 GB of RAM, which is available at 17,000, insane price. In my opinion, both the smartphones were great, but if I compare them on the basis of price and the value they are giving, definitely the Mi A1 beats the Nokia 6 2018. Definitely, the Mi A1 is one of the most amazing smartphone of the year 2017, and definitely in 2018 also the Mi A1 is flying over many other smartphones. I will be doing a camera comparison, and many other speed test comparison are coming pretty soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and peace out.